Hold on, wait a minute. My name is John Mays, the president of the Kentuckiana Real Estate Investors Association, and on behalf of the entire board of directors, I want to welcome you to the best 2 weeks of education and networking that this real estate environment in our local area has ever seen. I guarantee it. And if you stay through to the end, I'm going to explain to you why it is so critical that you lock in on this particular month of April. So, for your pleasure, if you're a new investor or new to the game, we got something very special for you. We have our new investor focus groups that's happening on April 21st. We got a really special, intimate group who's just there giving you teaching, training, hitting you with connections, going through your numbers. They are there to help you to be successful. No agendas, no sales pitches, just there making sure that you're set up for success. That's for all our members. Also, whether you're a seasoned investor, whether you're a new investor, no matter how long you've been doing this, you want to come out on this upcoming Thursday to our main meeting. This meeting has Robyn Thompson. She is the queen of rehabbing. I've been hearing nothing but phenomenal things about it. If you've watched her videos online, if wherever you've seen her previously, she is the absolute real deal. Easy to follow, easy to understand, letting you know step by step how to rehab properties with a high level of excellence. And so if you believe you could be a better rehabber, or you've ever been nervous about it, or you're just looking to make more money or do it faster and better, she is going to clean up our stuff and help us to grow in that area. And because she wants to pour into our specific organization so much, because everybody knows we're the best in the country at what we do, that she's going to actually do a 2-day seminar, and she's doing it so cheap. So you want to make sure you do it. Make sure you come to both days. She's doing it at such a reduced rate. I'm not even going to tell you online. You're going to need to go log in on KREIA.com. The member exclusive rate is almost free. It's a slight fee. I guarantee you, you don't want to miss it. 2 days. It's going to be the 25th and 26th. And it is going to be absolutely phenomenal. You're going to get so much wonderful information from that. And then also, as if that wasn't enough, don't you know we still have our learning on the site event that's called Lots. And so all of our members get the address, and we get to go to a property, eat lunch together. That lunch is free for members, and we get to hang out and learn all of somebody's numbers, all the details, all the struggles they went through, all the successes, all the juicy details, ask questions, meet contractors. You want to be at that Lots event that comes up the Tuesday after our main meeting. And then the following day, and this is what I told you, that it's going to be such an amazing month. We have the Kentucky Derby that's coming up the first week in May, but the Derby season is upon us. So April is going to be the time that Wednesday, April the 29th, we have tickets for you to be able to come hang out with some of the best investors, developers, the best flippers, the best wholesalers. They're all going to be there hanging out at Churchill Downs, and not just in the regular area. This is going to be the upgraded area, the area with the food and the open bar, and they got all the amenities there. You're going to absolutely love it. We only have about 20 some tickets left, so you better snatch them as soon as you can. I don't think they're going to make it all the way through the main meeting, so you want to buy those up, so you can be with a couple of hundred of the best investors that you've ever got a chance to be around in this area. Also, when you're a member, you get discounts. We got a we have a subject to workshop that's coming up that's absolutely phenomenal. We also going to be talking about vacation rentals. I mean, there's just so many wonderful things that are happening in KREIA that you don't want to miss out on. Make sure that you check out the FinCEN updates, and we have that on our website as well. Make sure you're getting your Home Depot benefits. If you haven't signed up for those, you can sign up for that. Easy step-by-step directions in the website, along with different contact information. We just want to see you win. And if you are a KREIA member, I guarantee you, if you take advantage of the next 2 weeks, your real estate journey this year is going to explode to a whole nother level. We thank you, and we look forward to supporting you on this journey. Bye-bye.